Bob Flynn from Standard Finishing.
Colin Flynn from Horizon USA.
Colin and I have both just finished up Printing United here in Las Vegas. It's been an excellent show. Wouldn't you agree, Colin?
I think the customer turnout was amazing. We were all kind of nervous about being the first big show since the pandemic, what the response would be like, but after 3 days in the show, I don't think we sat down for 5 minutes.
I can tell you that my feet are a little bit tired. But this show has been very exciting for us because the response that we've gotten to from the customers to all the automation that we're showing in our folding, perfect binding, saddle stitching solutions, as well as our case binding prep, has been really excellent.
Whereas in the past, some of those automated solutions would have been a nice to have, now those are a need to have because they're still struggling finding workers, and especially skilled operators. With the automation available from Horizon that we showed at the booth today, I think we've turned true believers into a lot of these people.
The other thing we're finding with the automation is that young people are getting a little bit more interested in getting into this side of the business because it's not the old turning a wrench and making mechanical and manual adjustments. It's more interesting to them to have the automation, the programming, the robotics that we're using on the binder behind us, for example.
You're no longer an operator or a bindery technician. Now you're a technology specialist or a robotics supervisor, and that's something that could help bring in new lifeblood into the industry.
Here at Standard, we're very fortunate to have two key suppliers for us. We have Hunkler that provides our pre and post product for high-speed digital, and of course, Horizon continuously is developing new products to stay ahead and help our customers to be successful and profitable. And Colin, I have to say thank you for that.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And it's been fantastic talking to all of our customers here, getting that feedback and learning about what we can create for the future to make our customers even more profitable.
See you at the next show.